You gonna read the Bible, bud?
Yeah.
What are you gonna read?
Peace.
Yeah?
See.
Are you gonna read Peter?
No.
Nope.
He's gonna read Ezekiel.
Are you gonna read Ezekiel? Are you all done? Let me see those shoes of yours. Those are pretty nice shoes there, bud. They're on the wrong feet.
Let's see shoes. Okay, Mama, can we see the video?
I'm still making a video. Micah, say hi.
Hey.
Say baby.
Hey.
Go get the baby, please. Can you say baby?
My baby.
Your baby. Can you say mama?
Baby.
Baby's sleeping still. Ella's getting him. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say blue? No, don't put that on there. Can you say blue?
Boo. Boo.
Yeah, your shirt's blue. Can you say red?
Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Benjamin. Hi, Bobby. Micah. Can you say eat?
Eat.
Can you say shoes?
Shoe.
Can you say car?
Car.
Can you say truck?
Truck.
Can you say sissy?
Cheese.
Can you say Ella? Can you say Bethany? Can you say brother? No, can you say brother? Where's baby? Give baby a kiss. Give baby a kiss, Micah. Ella, stop moving away. Micah. Micah. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Baby. Where's that? Oh, are those pictures of babies?
Yeah.
Those were sissies.
This is Ella. This is me.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.